2016 Z71 single cab short bed. It was in a front end collision, so we're gonna rebuild it and do a little makeover. Gonna change up a few things. This is where the damage was on the passenger side. Took the hit pretty much just here. Destroyed the headlight, damaged the fender and the wheel. So we will have to replace this headlight, the passenger side headlight. I straightened out the bumper the best I could. It was bent all the way back, and also the fender was pushed up to about here. So straightened that out a bit, and the wheel is pushed back about an inch. So I checked pretty much everything. The only thing I guess could be bent are the control arms, I guess upper and lower, since the impact was straight here in the front. I'm thinking it bent both control arms, upper and lower. So the engine is pretty good, no leaks or anything, no overheating problems at all. This is the radiator from AutoZone that we replaced. Stock with the cold air intake from cold air induction. We do have the box, but it was bent at the time of the collision. We replaced this broke from down here. This from one of the mounting points that it has. And well, you can't tell anymore, but you can see this is pushed back a bit. It was probably an inch or an inch and a half back on this side. The truck only has 23,000 miles, original miles, one owner. Navigation and all. Webasto sunroof, 5 buttons, power sunroof. Headliner was redone at the time that the sunroof was installed. Need to replace the curtain airbags and the seat belts that were locked, and the steering wheel airbag. Other than that, the interior is pretty much stock. We are planning on replacing the center console with one of I guess a Tahoe, and the seats with leather sheets, everything OEM. That's pretty much it. This is the stock radiator that was replaced. It had a crack somewhere around here on the other side, so we just replaced it with the AutoZone radiator for now. So we pick up a OEM radiator, and this is a OEM radiator support that we picked up to replace the one that's on the truck, because I straightened it out the best I could, but it's still not completely straight. So we picked this up for a pretty good price, and it's gonna go on the truck. One of the first things that's gonna go back on the truck. The truck is pretty much stock. It has a Makagi's drop kit on. It's a 4.7 drop on OEM 22s. The rear bumper was replaced with the HD bumper. Other than that, nothing else has been done to the truck. And so now the suspension, well, for the bed sides, it's gonna get fiberwork bed sides with a 3-inch bulge, and king shocks in the rear with Adjustable coilovers in the front, also from King, with reservoirs front and back. Upper Baja Kids control arms, and we're thinking of running 35s on 17-inch rims, most likely all terrains.